Meaning of fatty.
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 Fatty. Fatty is an adjective used to describe something that is excessively oily, greasy, or containing high amounts of fat content. This term is often used to describe food products that are high in calories and are unhealthy if consumed in large quantities. Consuming high levels of fatty foods can lead to various health problems, including obesity, heart diseases, and high blood pressure. Foods high in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and fish, should be consumed in moderation to maintain a healthy lifestyle.